today?
Donuts.
Is that ingredients ready?
Yes, Dad.
Okay, let's start.
Ingredients: deep-fried flour 150 grams, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons sugar, 3 tablespoons warm milk, yeast 3 grams, 3 tablespoons melted butter, and 1 teaspoon salt.
To make donut, take 3 tablespoons warm milk and add yeast to it. Make sure the milk is warm, okay? Otherwise the yeast will not activate. Okay? Is it warm?
Yes.
Add the yeast to it. And yeast loves sugar. Can you add 3 grams or 30 grams of sugar to it? And take the spoon and mix well. Mix nicely and leave it aside for 15 minutes for the yeast to activate. Okay?
Okay, Dad.
Okay. Just leave the spoon and keep it aside for 15 minutes. And we will see the yeast will get activated. Okay. 15 minutes is over. Now the yeast is activated. Okay. Now next what we are going to do is add 150 gram flour in a mixing bowl.
Okay, Dad.
Now we add a little bit of pinch of salt. That adds dry yeast mixer. Start mixing. Now we can add 1 egg also. Finally, melted butter. Okay. Now let's go to the work table and little bit we will need it. On work table we'll pour little bit of oil and spread it. This will help the dough will not get sticky onto the work table. Transfer the dough to the working table. Let me show you how to knead it, okay? Okay, can you knead it? Okay, Dad.
Okay, Dad.
Use two hands. Okay?
Okay, Dad.
And then fold it. Don't worry, it is getting sticky. The dough should be like this to get it very crispy and creamy donut. Your favorite. Okay?
Okay, Dad.
Don't add flour again, okay? Because it is sticky, don't add more flour to it. Just leave it like this. Knead it for a few minutes like this. Keep folding and knead it. Now use the spatula and take the dough once again and transfer it to the mixing bowl. You can just clear it with the spatula. Take a wet cloth and cover it and keep it aside for 2 hours.
Dad, doors over. Shall we open?
Okay dear, please open.
Ta-da!
Wow, it's become double now. Can you make a good punch? Can you give a good punch? Now see what I am doing. Just remove it from a mixing bowl.
Okay, Dad.
Now take the receiver, put some flour
Okay, Dad. Okay, Dad.
and dust it on the table.
Okay. Okay, Dad. I'll make it.
That's all, it's finished. Now
What?
put the dough on the table.
Okay, Dad. It's very soft.
It's very soft. You want a
Yes.
soft and creamy donuts? No, that's why we made it like this.
Yes, Dad.
Okay.
Okay.
Now put it on the other side and dust it well. You can put see, the thickness should be like this. Okay. Now shall we cut donuts?
Yes, Dad. Yes, Dad.
Just press it like this and twist it like this. Okay.
I'll make.
Yeah, now 1 minute. You make here one donut and twist it. Very good. Here, Darsan.
Okay, Dad.
Very good, Darsan. Now you want to make little twist for that to come out easily. Okay. Now we will make a small holes. I will teach you how to do it. Okay. Just keep it in the center like this, and same way you just press and remove. Okay.
Okay, Dad.
And we just pinch this and keep it aside. We will make a bun out of it. Okay. Now you do this one. Just keep it in the center. No, not center, just center. Okay. Just press it nicely and twist it. Very good. Just little bit. Give me some time. I just need to do it a little bit.
In the frying pan, heat oil. Once the oil heated, add donuts. In low flame. Keep the fire in low flame. Once it's golden brown, take it out.
In a mixing bowl, add icing sugar for frosting. If you don't have icing sugar, just take a normal sugar and blend it in the mixer. Add vanilla essence, few drops. Add little milk and mix. What donut you like, dear?
Chocolate donut.
Okay, let's make chocolate donut with this frosting. Okay. In this mixture, add 1 teaspoon cocoa powder and mix well. Just dip the donut in the mixer and twist nicely. Our chocolate donut ready. For small buns, what we make in icing sugar, we'll add little bit of cinnamon, sugar, just a grind little bit of cinnamon inside the sugar in the blender and mix it. And add this small donut buns what we fried already and mix well. Your cinnamon buns ready.